How to export Lloyds bank statement to Excel. To export a Lloyds bank statement to Excel, follow these steps. Log into Lloyds Bank on their website or app using your credentials to access your accounts and banking dashboard securely. Select the account you want to download a statement for and navigate to the relevant section, such as Statements or Transactions. Set the date range for the statement you want to export, ensuring that you include all the necessary transactions in this period. Look for the Download or Export option, which is typically available near the top or bottom of the Transactions or Statements page. Choose the file format as CSV, which is compatible with Excel and can be used for organizing and analyzing data effectively. Confirm the download by clicking Export or Save, and the statement will be downloaded to your computer in a CSV file format. Thanks for watching.